Hello everybody, my name is Russ Torlage. I'm the co-founder of Soda Instruments and I'm also the designer of all the Soda products. We're very excited about the next version of Silver Pulsar, the model SP8. Since 2023, our team has been working very hard at tweaking, looking at different ways to improve the SP8, and we're excited to now introduce the new model which has an internal rechargeable battery. This is a fantastic upgrade. No more 9-volt batteries to worry about. You don't have to buy any more batteries. It charges like a cell phone. It actually has a USB-C port, as shown here, and it comes with a little USB cable. You plug it into any USB port and your Silver Pulsar will charge up. It takes about 4.5 hours to fully charge. We deliberately slow down the charge time because that gives it extra life for the battery. What's really exciting too is once you fully charge up, you get almost 50 to 60 hours of use from the Silver Pulsar with a fully charged battery. It's fantastic. And of course, when the battery gets lower, needs to be recharging, a little red light will come on letting you know it's time to recharge the battery. You still have some more time to use the Silver Pulsar, but at least you're at the point where you say, yep, time to recharge it. So what we suggest is every few days, just charge it overnight. That way you're always ready in the morning with a fresh Silver Pulsar. Another nice feature too is the internal rechargeable battery is actually replaceable. So if in the future anything happens and we need to get a new battery, it's not obsoleted. We can get you a new battery at any time. I think you're going to really enjoy the new SP8. It's been a long journey for us to bring out a more reliable unit, one that's more efficient to use, and one that's easier to use for everybody, and it even has less impact on the environment. We're not going through batteries. So I hope this helps you to see what we put into moving into the new SP8, and I hope you enjoyed as much as we've been enjoying it.
Oh, my wife Leslie wanted to remind me to tell you that you can make the ionic colloidal silver while the unit is being plugged in and charged.
And if you'd like to get notified about when the SP8 will be released, please sign up to our newsletter on our website, soda.com, or of course you can call in or write into us at any time, info@soda.com or 1-800-224-0240. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you very much.